What did you do to me? What happened? I'm scared.
Hey everyone, my name is Anna de Guzman. I'm here on Hollywood Boulevard doing some street magic. I normally don't perform for people on the street, so this is going to be a fun little test to me as well. I'm going to show you how I approach people and why I'm approaching certain people, what I do when I open up a trick. So since I knew I was going to do some street magic today, I prepared myself with a few tricks ready on me that I can carry. So I didn't want to have a bag. I think when you are carrying a backpack, it kind of looks weird. I didn't even want to carry a purse, so I have pockets. Make sure pockets are a must. I wanted to wear something that was not trying too hard, but I didn't want to look like a hag either. So just wear what you would wear comfortably, but don't look like just a homeless person who does magic. Don't wear just a t-shirt. You could, honestly, it's a look, but I wanted to look like the people who I want to do magic to. And the type of people I know I like to do magic to are people around my age wearing kind of hip, trendy, colors. I didn't want to be in all black, things like that I took into account. I actually put makeup on today. That never happens. I'm going to try and find a group of people. I prefer groups. Sometimes I'll do tricks for 1 or 2 people, but I prefer at least 3, 4, and then that draws in a crowd. I definitely am more comfortable approaching guys just because it's a little easier. They don't want to say no to a girl for the most part. Did you just get that?
What?
Oh, I just saw you in there. So.
No. I bought in the Nike factory in
Nike
Citadel.
Where are you from? Where's
I'm
it?
from France.
Oh, cool. That's awesome. Are you guys just visiting?
No, we're working.
Oh, okay. Where do you work?
We work in the LA Fashion District.
Oh, cool. You're a model.
What?
You're a model.
No.
Oh,
You are the 3rd person who told me that.
Birthday girl. I want birthday girl.
Birthday girl.
Birthday girl. Hi, what's your name?
Valerie.
Valerie, my name's Anna. Nice to meet you. Do you have a ring?
Yeah.
A ring? Do you want me to borrow it or you trust mine?
No, take it.
Okay. Let's see if it fits. Here. Yeah, that fits. This is yours, so you know it's not a trick ring, it's her ring.
Yes.
Right? So you watch this. Have you seen this one before where you throw it back onto your hand?
I feel crazy.
It's your ring, so you know it's not a trick ring or anything, right? Watch, see, I can take the ring, throw it back up. Throw it back on. Have you seen that one? You guys have seen that one?
No.
Have you seen that? It's weird. It's not I don't know, some people think it's a trick ring, right? It's not, right? It's a normal ring, right? It's actually my fingers. Check them out. Are those my real fingers? Check it out, check it out. I got you with that one.
Finger trick.
Yeah, the one where you go through all the fingers. That one?
That's awesome.
Check it out, the ring, we'll take it. And then can actually have it melt through all 4 fingers. But the last one's the hardest. The last one's the hardest, watch. Just like that.
How did she just take that off? It was just on her finger. I know.
Oh, wait, this is perfect. Can you hold out your hand just like this? Yeah, just like that. Here, take it. Just relax. Stay still. Do you hear the ring? Right? Here, watch. I'm gonna take the ring. Do you see the moment where it jumped to his shoulder?
No, she's awesome. That's awesome.
Ready? You take the ring. You hear the ring, right?
Do you hear it?
Yeah. Ready? Take the ring. See the moment where it jumped to her shoulder?
Shut up. Are you kidding?
Oh my God.
This is wild.
Oh
my goodness. How the?
Do you hear the ring? Okay, perfect. Take the ring.
Can I take it? No, you take it.
Did you see the moment where it jumped to her shoulder?
Wait.
Here, you got it? You got it?
Oh my God.
Yeah. And I'll show you this cool way is actually to put the ring back on.
What?
Right?
Girl.
I'm good with sleight of hand as well, but that. That shit hot.
I'm gonna check
Like
my
it's cool.
What did you do to me? What happened? I'm scared. She just touched me. I don't know.
7 more stars and shit on your Dragon
Right.
Ball.
I gotta make sure.
Thank you for helping me. Cool.
I teach magic.
Oh,
I'm a magician too.
Okay.
And so the hardest thing for a magician, an aspiring magician, is to actually go out and perform.
Yeah.
I just want to know, do you even remember what like Anna said to you guys to have that? What made it comfortable or okay to see it? Does that make sense?
Like
To-
what made
to
you
not
stop
say
and
no.
not say no? Yeah.
Oh, I have a couple things because I wasn't there when you guys first met her. But when I was like trying on sunglasses and stuff, you were like, "Oh, those look cute on you." Like you were so personable. Also, I feel like I could hang out with you. Like you're dressed
cute.
really cute. You're super sweet and spunky. Like I just would want to hang out with you. And so I was like, okay,
Feeding
this
my ego.
girl
I love
like, doing magic is like not weird to me. Whereas like some people like back where we're from, like
Where
do
you from?
magic in Colorado.
Oh,
And so people
okay.
like in Colorado are like, can we do magic with you? And they're these like creepy people dressed really weird with like trench coats. I'm like, no, thank you.
Yeah.
But you're like relatable. I feel like we could hang out.
This is fun.
Yeah.
This is the first time I didn't think like magic
Yeah,
was like
wow,
creepy
that's so weird.
or like
Yeah.
That's so
spiritual,
cool that
like,
I could
just
do that
fun
for you.
and like cool.
Did you guys
Yeah.
feel the same way?
Yeah, and I've never seen magic, so that was
Yeah, that was
I
so
just think you
fun.
really presented it as something that was really fun as opposed to something that was creepy and like, hey, let me trick you into getting me.
Yeah.
You know?
Sure.
Right.
Yeah.
It's like really manipulative magicians who are just like, hey, let me show you this trick. Like, yeah. Really appreciate it.
Absolutely, that's something I brought up to her too. I was just like, you know, the way you dress and like could be like a huge factor into people who.
I should
A
just
lot,
like
of
that.
a lot of magicians might just be like, well, I'm just gonna dress however you want, but
Right.
it's like,
yeah, no, it was perfect the way you dressed.
Yeah,
It was
you're so
cute.
cute. You held it seriously. Amazing.
Thank
Love
you
it.
guys.
Doing
You guys
a
were
great
really
job
awesome.
at this. This is so
Yeah,
fun.
you guys are awesome.
Honestly,
I don't do
didn't
this. Like
even walk
he does
towards-
these, and like it's like the first time I ever actually performed like
Really?
street magic.
You
is
did
so
great.
wow.
Seriously,
Amazing.
such a good
It's
job.
like I'm so new to this. Yeah.
so fun.
So
You
cool.
were amazing.
Thank you.
I'm sure you're great too.
I'm all right.
You're doing a good job. Yeah, great teacher.
Yeah.
But thank you so much.
Absolutely, enjoy your day.
Bye. Thank you. Bye. Thank you. Thank you all so much for watching. Come back again tomorrow for another daily street magic video. My name is Anna DeGisman. If you want to keep up with me and see more of what I do with cards, I do magic tricks, cardistry, and if you want to follow my daily life, check out my YouTube channel, It's Anna D, and all my Instagrams, at Anna DeGisman. I think Jarek is going to edit this and put them like here, or go check it out. I'll see you there. Bye.